Alright, there's Steve. He's going to demonstrate a typewriter. Start with a pretty wide grip. Keep your weight over one arm. Go down. Skim your chest across the bar. Come back up. And then move back over to the other arm. And repeat. And then you can do it the other way. Pretty much the same either way. Alright, we got Mike over here. He's going to demonstrate a mat pull. These are pretty self-explanatory. Pretty fun. Okay, back to Steve. He's going to show a modified ball push-up. It's the same way we used to do one-legged ball push-ups, except you switch legs every time. Alright, plate flips, Mike again. Just grab the plate, flip it all the way down the court. Try to keep the landing as gentle as possible. And finally, the modified wall push-up. Normal 90 degree, except every time you do one, pull your foot off the wall. There you go. All right.